So you can see that error has been fixed and my Windows is going to be installed. And thank you so much for watching this video. And in this video we are facing an error, and another topic will be discussed in this video because we have started the Windows 10 installation over that, and it is giving the error that and that error is basically uh, EFI error, and we have to fix it. How we can fix it? We can easily fix this error if you are installing the Windows 10. So it is a good opportunity that we got an error and we have to fix it in this video as well. We have to power off it. We have to click onto the edit settings. Wait for a second. Now click onto the VMware VM options. Then we have to uh, click onto the boot options. Then we have to select the BIOS, and we have to click save, and then we have to start the virtual machine, and you will see that Windows will be started in front of you because Windows always support BIOS, not EFI. So this video is basically is all about the license, and accidentally we have discussed about the Windows installation over the VMware ESXi. So if you face any problem, you can just select the BIOS option and Windows installation will be started.